Neat original H1 with a Cummins diesel. That's pretty friggin' awesome. Yeah, that thing's all kinds of awesome. Wow, check that thing out.
Yeah, it's retro collectibles, we keep it tactical. Building that dream fleet, the price is practical. Retail finds in the marketplace hunt. 1/18 scale, we stay in the front. Yeah.
Retro Maniacs, what's going on? I got a big news update for you guys. So, and wow, 2 videos in 2 days. But, sorry, it's an unboxing video, guys, but it's good news. So this morning, you guys know that I've been right on the fence about this guy here. Your Car in Diecast, the 1/18 scale Vanishing Point. I think it's going to be the most accurate one in that scale that's ever been done, just by what he's done to it. I went on Nice Car Diecast today. I'm in Canada, and that's where I order a lot of my stuff, because I order it here. Say I order it, well, I ordered it today. I'll probably have it Tuesday, Wednesday the latest, from Quebec. Usually if you order it like Monday, you'll have it Wednesday. It's crazy fast. But anyway, I went on their website today, just looking at it again, and I seen a little symbol on the bottom of the screen, and she almost hit us, and I almost had to go on the friggin' lawn, like, lady, get in your lane. But anyway, I look at the screen, and there's a little beacon on the screen that says only 4 left. That put me into a panic, guys, because I'm sure there's more than 4 left for sale. But I'm trying to avoid all the duty and import fees and all that stuff by ordering it directly from Your Car in Diecast. So what did I do, guys? I ordered it. Now, it was on pre-order before, but like I told you, a bunch of people started receiving them last week, okay? They're preparing it to ship, and I just ordered it this morning. They are preparing it to ship. So that will be a heavyweight car that we get to unbox live when we get it. And then once the Retro Collectibles studio is set up, we will give it a proper unboxing with proper photos and everything. Retro style. But I think it's pretty good news, guys, because it's a heavyweight. So we got a couple heavyweights coming now, brand new. And yeah, I'm very exciting, because from what he says he's done to it, looks like it's going to be a good one, guys. He's done quite a bit to it, and the mirror thing has me excited. And yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. So I just wanted to share the news with you guys, and anybody on the fence about ordering one, get on it, because they're almost sold out. At least at Nice Car Diecast. I don't know the official count, but there's only 199 of them made, guys. So they're going to be gone soon. Now that we're done the diecast talk, guys, I'm going to show you my secret spot for the best hamburger I've ever had. Well, the best hamburger in Hamilton, probably in Canada, because it's the best I've ever had. There's 2 places tied for the best. And those guys that do the reels and stuff like that on Facebook, most of them are paid. This is an unbiased opinion. And the funny thing is, this place isn't known for their hamburgers. They're known for their footlong hot dogs. But I'll show you guys soon. I'm not gonna bore you like I'm bored. Look at this. We're waiting because the train bridge is down. There's a boat going through. It's a swing bridge. We gotta wait. See, we're right beside the Skyway. Okay, we're starting to move. Hey guys, looks like a full house. Yeah, there it is.
Number 33, is that what you're doing?
Check out all the hot dogs. Footlongs, that's what they're known for. Some of their hot dogs killer, guys. Look at all them footlongs. And because it's an old hot dog stand that movies and stuff are shot here, they focus on footlongs. People forget about the burgers. Check out the sign and everything. Best old school hamburger in town. Only place that comes close is the Big Top restaurant in Hamilton. They are tied. I'm glad Hutch's was too crowded, because we came here and we got our food in like 10 minutes, despite how crowded they are. Check this thing out though, guys. My mother was an awesome cook. She worked in short order restaurants, like she was a short order cook, like diners and stuff. That's what I grew up on. Not the healthiest, so what that is, guys. I've been here 25 years. Best hamburger in town. Tied with the Big Top. I'm wearing it. So I got napkins. God damn it. I don't think I do. Oh well. Oh well. I have mustard all over me. Need a shower anyway. Anyway, guys, thanks for joining me today for the good news. I just wanted to show you my secret burger place. If you ever come to this area, it's called Hutch's. Not Hutch's, Easterbrooks rather. Sorry, guys. Do me a favor and hit that like button on the way out the door though. While you're at it, hit that bell notification, guys. Don't forget about the live stream every Saturday. Retro is live, diecast and chill. We're going to do an unboxing again tomorrow night, 10 p.m. Eastern time. Saturday, June 27th. As always, guys, the most important thing though, stay safe, happy hunting.
Yeah. It's retro collectibles, we keep it tactical. Building that dream fleet, the price is practical. Retail finds in the marketplace hunt. 1/18 scale, we stay in the front.